Guys, this is a site I recently found. In today's video, I'll show you how to make money online in complete autopilot. You don't need any skills, you don't need a blog, and you don't need any experience or money for this. And this works worldwide. And before we start, make sure you tap on the like button until it turns blue for YouTube's algorithm. And if you're new here, make sure you tap on the red subscribe button and turn on the notifications by hitting the bell icon. So I'll be sending you a notification whenever I have a brand new strategy to earn money online. So you'll be one of the first persons around the globe to use it and make the most of it. And let's jump into my laptop. So guys, we'll be combining this with another platform. This is already useproof.com. I know most of you haven't heard about this platform. Usefully, it's a platform that helps people to get more conversions on their websites. As such, the people who would benefit from this tool are website owners who are selling various products or services on their websites. When some of those owners come and pay Useproof, they're investing a few amount of money, but they're actually getting a lot more in return. You must be knowing the value of marketing for a company or a brand, right? As the website owners get way more than they pay Useproof, most of them will stick around with Useproof for years. So we'll be promoting this as an affiliate, guys. Don't worry, watch every second of this video, and just after this video ends, you'll be able to set up this to make money in complete autopilot. So let's start this. Scroll all the way down and go over to partners. And guys, as I said earlier, Useproof customers tend to stick around because this tool is really profitable for them. So if you refer them, you'll earn 30% of recurring commissions every month, guys. So there are some FAQs. How long do commissions last for? Commissions last for the lifetime of the account. How do I get paid? At the end of each month, your rewards are calculated and available for cash out via PayPal or Stripe. Alternative methods available from non-PayPal regions as well. So if your country does not allow you to withdraw PayPal money, you can withdraw your earnings to a bank account as well. When do I get paid? Payments are verified and paid out the month after your commission is earned. For example, any commission earned in February will be available March 16th. And how long do cookies last? And imagine if they click on your link today and they stay for another 80 days to sign up, still your referral link will work, guys. It depends on the day they click on your link, guys. It will last for 90 days. If they click again, the 90 days starts again. Don't worry about it. What is Partner Stack? It's your dashboard, guys. You can see your clicks and the number of referrals you got and from where you got the clicks, and also you have some tools and resources you need to promote your product. In this case, you don't need them, I guess. So guys, you don't have to refer too many people to earn a decent amount of money. There are trillions of websites who do not know about this and would love to have this, guys. And these potential customers will obviously have big budgets, as the website owners are also owners of businesses. So they'll have money to use in Useproof. And as Useproof will gain more sales for their businesses, they will love this. Don't think too much, guys. I'll show you how to find websites who would get benefited from Useproof, so you can refer people once and earn recurring income every month. So now I'll show you how much exactly you'll earn by referring people, okay? Let's go to the main website and see the pricing. And guys, I couldn't tell you earlier, the best part is they offer a 14-day trial. Because when you tell a business owner about this free trial, they'll be far more willing to give it a try, since they are not risking their money. And once they see the results, they will want to use it for a long time. So let's assume if someone wants 10,000 unique visitors per month, so per month it's $79. If they need 50,000 per month, it's $129. If they need 100,000, it's $199. If they go for a bigger company, if they need like 200,000 unique visits per month, it will be $300. 30% of 300 is $90 per month. And let's see the lowest one, like 10,000. So if they buy this, you will earn more than $25 from this. And if they buy the annual package, that's $66 per month. That's about $22 per month. The best part is if they buy the annual package, they'll pay $66 per each month for a year. That means $22 from just one person throughout the year. 22, 22, 22. Just like that. I'm talking about the lowest amount, okay? Most probably you will get more than this. Let's imagine if they buy the lowest plan, you will earn $22 from one person. You refer 100%, it will be $2,200 per month. The strategy I'm gonna show you, it will take about like 20-30 minutes per day. And if you continue that for 30 days, if you do the same thing throughout a month, you won't have to work for the entire year, for the upcoming 11 months, okay? You'll get 100 people to sign up easily. That means 22 into 100, $2,200 per month for 12 months. And if they renew after 1 year, you'll keep on earning recurring commissions. Interesting, right? Without further ado, let's see how to get business owners easily. And guys, if you are getting a value out of this video, like it, leave a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already, do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications. So I'll be sending you a notification whenever I have a brand new strategy just like this to earn money online. And as usual, you will be one of the first persons to use the strategy and make the most of it. And first you have to get the affiliate ID, your unique affiliate ID. For that, you should go to this page. You can scroll all the way down from the home page and come to partners and hit this join now button. I know you can fill those simple forms. So fill that simple form, grab the affiliate link and come over to google.com. Guys, Google will help us today. There's no other place than Google to find websites that are not getting enough visitors. You can search for anything, guys. How can I explain this? I mean, think of business fields that sell products or services. Can you tell me exactly how many business niches are there? No, right? So search for anything. So for an example, I'll search for travel agents in USA. Guys, I'm telling you again, you'll find infinite number of potential customers on Google. And after you complete each step of this tutorial, you'll definitely earn money, guys. It may be less, it may be higher, or it may be the same. It depends on your commitment, okay? And you have to give it some time as well. You have to keep on doing the same thing again and again to earn money. So please share with our community how much you earned. Just comment down below, okay? It will be a motivation to others as well. So guys, after searching for something like this, go to the 4th page or 5th page or 6th page over here, or maybe 10th page. Let's go to the 10th page. We are doing this because the websites on the first pages of Google search results already have a decent number of visitors, and some of them may be already promoting their websites as well. And also when you come to the 10th page or like 20th page or 15th page or 5th page, don't go to these sites where you see this ad symbol, because they are already promoting their websites, okay? You can go to this website. So let's go to a website. Let's go to this one over here, this one. You can find as much as websites you prefer, okay? And go over to the contact us page. Most of the time it's at the top or the bottom, or you call it the footer of the home page. And go to contact us. So now you have to contact them via email, maybe Facebook, Instagram, or however. I personally email them when I do this by myself and tell them that howdy, it's a cool website. Maybe you can be more professional than that. And I can see that you are probably getting a decent number of inquiries, but you are leaving a lot of money on the table. I can help you out to get far more inquiries and sales than you are getting now. And you don't have to be too professional, okay? You can tell them that you are a digital marketing expert and you have been using this tool for a long time. Why not try a free trial? Then give your affiliate link. And guess what? They'll be interested to try the free trial, guys. And most of them will end up purchasing a plan. And guys, I'll tell you this is how I do. I go to my notes or maybe notepad or something and write a template. You can edit it whenever you want to, but write kind of a professional template. That template should convince them to buy or just try the free trial. Maybe you can get some points from this as well. Then you can copy and paste on each email you send. Go to Google, find businesses, search for any business. Don't use websites on the first and second pages of the search results. From the third page onwards, you can use each and every website, get their email and copy and paste the template you wrote before. And one thing, make sure you send an email to one business at a time. Don't go to your Gmail or whatever the email you use and copy and paste the template, and for the recipients you like give 20 email addresses. Just send one person at a time. So do this every day. Send 100 mails a day. Try this for a month and set up this passive income stream, guys. Don't forget to comment your earnings. Maybe not this week, after another month or 2 or 3. Don't forget to come to this video. Don't forget the thumbnail. Come to this video and comment down below your earnings. So I really hope you got a value out of this video. If you have any questions, comment down below, like this video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.